Hey YouTube, Carl here. Today is a huge day for me. Today I get to take the leap from RC aviation, which I'm not giving up and I still love, but I get to take that leap into general aviation, and I am in the process of purchasing my first full-scale aircraft. It's not just any airplane though. You'll see her in just a second. This is a 1941 PT-17 Stearman. Now my great uncle Neil has been flying Stearman his whole life. He's owned this one for around about 30 years now. It's in great shape, everything's checked out. We do have an A&P coming later today for a pre-buy inspection, but it looks like everything's going to be good, and if so, Lily and I will be purchasing our first aircraft, and it will be a classic. So without any more of my jabbering, let me introduce you to Lucille. Here she is. So again, 1941 PT-17 Stearman. She did a stint as a crop duster for a while. So those of you who are familiar with Stearman might notice that that's not the factory engine. They came stock with a 220 horsepower engine. This is a Pratt & Whitney R985. Makes about 450 horsepower. She's been upgraded with improved struts, redline brakes, a whole bunch of other details. So not 100% stock as Stearman go, but in my honest opinion, she's a perfect first plane for Lily and I. Front seat, because she did a stint as a crop duster, the front seat's actually been converted to a double wide, so you can fit an adult and a kid, or two small adults in the front. You can share your aircraft with more people. Those of you who know me know that I don't live in Richmond, Indiana, so we're going to have to get this bird back to the East Coast here before too long, but going to work those logistics out. For now, let's do a little walk around. All right, we're in the pilot seat. Just look at that view. Let's see how much we can see in here. Instrument panel, everything works. You can see he's kept this really clean and well maintained in here. You've got your radio and electronics on this side. throttle quadrant mixture and propeller pitch on this side, as well as the fuel pump manual, fuel selector, which he has in off. He did get that shut off yesterday. She ran great yesterday. Everything is smooth. Whew, baby. This is really happening. Okay, let me know when I stop. You keep going. Keep going straight as you can. Okay. All right. Land on the brakes, sir. Yeah. Like that? Yeah. Clear prop. So, yeah, today was crazy. It was amazing, but it was crazy. The A&P says everything checked out. It's in great shape. Mechanically, structurally, she's sound. The few repairs she's had over the years were done well. The engine's got great compression. Pulled her out on the taxiway, fired her up, ran her up. Everything looks great. The weather didn't cooperate, so we didn't get to take her up today, but you know, my Uncle Neil, he knows his airplanes. He knows how to take care of his airplanes, so I'm not shocked that she's in great shape. So we're going forward. We're gonna buy her, and really, I look at it like I'm inheriting her. It is my Uncle Neil's baby, and I know today was a difficult day for him, but I'm really honored to have the opportunity to steward this aircraft through the next generation, to share her with the next generation, to continue to care for her the way that my Uncle Neil did. And yeah, I'm really at a loss for words right now. So there'll be a lot more content about this aircraft and everything that's going on. But for today, yeah, I can't think of much more to say. Till next time, thanks for watching.